Welcome back, fellow web creators and entrepreneurs. In this tutorial, we'll cover how to put a border around a video in Adobe Premiere using the new grid system. To kick things off, I've added a video clip to my timeline that I'd like to add a border around. Begin by heading over to the effects panel and typing grid into the search box. Drag the grid effect onto your video clip on the timeline. Now under Effect Controls up here, find your grid effect settings and change both the anchor values to 0. Then click on the Size From drop-down and select Width and Height sliders. Next, you'll need to change the width and height of your grid's resolution to match your video sequence. Mine is 1920 by 1080, so we'll set the width to 1920 and the height to 1080. Great, this has now added a really thin border. But before we change how it looks, we also need to change the blending mode to normal so we can see our video. Now simply change the border value to increase the border size. I'll set mine to 50. And there you go. You've now got an easy to adjust basic border. You can also change the border's color, opacity, and feather with these additional settings down here. For a quick example, you can achieve a simple classic film effect by changing the color to black, dialing in 150 for the border, 25 for the feather width, 100 for the feather height, and 90% for the opacity. Give it a try. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.